Hi guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make doors that open automatically when you go to walk through them. Let's get into it. So I'm quickly going to make a little room first. Open up the starter content folder, go into architecture, drag out a wall door, just a normal wall. Let's get to it. Go back in, grab a cube from the side here. I'm going to use this to make our door. I'm going to shape this about that. And there we go. Should be good. Now, with our door selected, we're going to go to cinematics here, add a level sequence. We're going to call this door open. Alright, now select the door, click track, add actor to sequence, add cube. Now, with this, we're going to click enter at 000, inserting a keyframe. Go to 60, move this up, and click enter again, inserting a new keyframe. Now if we drag this back, press play, and that's our door opening. I'm going to take this, select it, hold Alt, drag it out, and then I'm going to grab 0, Alt, drag it out, drag this back, press play. Our door will open, stay open, and then close behind us. We can click save on that, close that. We'll drag out a box trigger from the left hand side here. Set that right there in front of the door. Go back into our level blueprint. We're going to right click with that box trigger selected. You're going to click the add event, collision, and add component begin overlap. Minimize that. Get our door open sequence. With that selected, go back into the level blueprint, right click, create a reference. Drag out from door open sequence. We're going to click play. Scroll down. We'll just have to look for it. Play, sequence play. There we go. We're going to drag out from other actor, cast to third person character. From here, connect this to play. Compile, save. Now, when we press play, our character overlaps with this, the door should open. So let's see if that works. There we go, walk through, door closes behind us. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, remember, leave a like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.